Hey guys, today I'll be doing some all black long kinky twists. So I'm going to start off with the Murray's Edgewax and apply it to my roots. Then I'm going to use some passion twist or kinky twist hair that I found at the hair store. And I'm going to use one twist per twist on my head. So I'm going to unravel it, and then I'm going to start at the base of my twist by braiding the twist on using my hair as the third leg. Then once I get to a certain point, I'm going to stop, bring the twist around, and separate my hair in half to assign it to both halves of the twist, and then twist down. And once I get to the ends, I'm going to apply some more Murray's Edgewax, and then I'm going to twist the ends around my finger, and that's basically it. So this is my braid pattern in the first half of the back, 3 on the bottom, 4 on the second, and 4 on the third. So again, I'm going to braid tightly, and in the back I just bring both of my hands around my head, and then once I start twisting, I bring them down and around to the side so that I can have control of the twist. So I add some Murray's Edgewax again, and then twist all the way down, coiling the ends. So this fourth row was 5 twists, the 6th row was 4, the 7th row was 4, the 8th was 3, and the 9th was 1. So now we're moving on to the sides. Well, the front of my head was parted into 4 sections. On the 2 sides, I did the same amount on the 2 sides. I did 2 on this bottom row, and here you can see my hands. Both hands are brought around the back of my head, and then I brought them down to the side to twist down once I decided to stop braiding. And of course, I'm applying the Murray's Edgewax so my hair does not pop out of the twist, and this is my favorite thing to use on all of my protective styles. So I'm going to go ahead and coil the ends again, and here you can see I'm doing the second twist on that bottom row of the left side of my head, and I'm going to braid and then twist down. This time I kept my hands on the side the entire time. So now on the second row, I'm going to do 3 twists, braiding them on and then twisting down. And yeah, so then the third row, I'm going to do 3 twists as well. You can cut it into 4 if you like, but I just did 3. So here it is, 2, 3, and 3. So on the right side, I did the same thing. Middle front section, I did 4 rows of 4 twists per row, so 16 in the middle. I think braiding on the twist is the best way to do kinky twists. Thumbs up this video if it was helpful. Check out more hair videos on my channel, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.